the second to the last sound of the structure. You show the child the flashcard and ask the child, what sound is this? The child tells you, okay? And you pick the third to the last sound of the structure, and you raise it. The child tells you is E. Then you blend together. Tell the child, let's put together, and that gives you